So we're going to continue on the refactor of the tic-tac-toe using object-oriented design. Last time we created a tic-tac-toe board class that represents the board in the game. Now we're going to go ahead and abstract the entire game into a class. And one of the reasons you might think about why this is better is we could do a series of games with a similar structure and have one common interface that offered to allow people to play them, to launch them. Okay, let's go to NetBeans. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, so here's what we did last time. I've just copied the files over into a new project and named it Refactor2. And we have our tic-tac-toe board class, and we have our tic-tac-toe Java main class. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new Java class called TicTactToGame. So new Java class, TicTactToGame, and hit finish. And let's fix our Egyptian braces there. And now if we over to Tic-Tac-Toe Java, you can see that really almost all of this is really a method called play, and that method starts about right here where we have the program loop, and then the only thing else we have in here is we have these internal variables. So we really just need to decide if these variables are going to go inside this new method called play, which main will become play, or if they go up here in the class. Okay, so I'll start copying them over, and so clearly this is a class variable. So we'll go up here, and we'll come on back. Let's see. Yep, those are class variables too, because they control the loop. Let's see, is that right? No, they're going to have to be inside the method. That's right. Okay. Scanner will be inside the method. It looks like string player and move count are more like global variables. Let's copy those and put them up here as well. Whoops. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to delete those. I just want to copy and paste them there. Alright, we'll come on over here. There we go. So we have the board and we have the player, and then we have the move count as instant variables, and these of course should all be private. Okay. Alright. Then we want to go ahead and copy our method. Let's just copy all of main, and then we'll rename it after we copy it. So go all the way down here. There's the end of main. Go back into game. Paste it in. Okay, looks like we need the scanner in here too. Alright, so I'll have to, oh, that's inside the method. Okay, so again, this is going to be main. I'm sorry, play. It's not static, it is void. So public void play, and it doesn't have any parameters, so we'll get rid of these. Okay. Alright, let's just take a quick scan through. Let's see, the instant, those are private. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay, we've got them shadowed though, so we don't want to do that. So what happens here is I have the same variables inside the method that I have inside the class, and you don't want to do that, so we'll get rid of those. Let's see. So finished and plain are here. Oh, board also is being double. Yeah, so let's get rid of that because we have that in the class. There we go. And let's see. Player, move counts. Row and column are fine here. I think we're probably all right. Alright, so right now we don't have a main anymore. I could put the main in here. I thought about doing that, but I don't like that habit. So let's just create another file for it. So we'll say new. This is a Java main class. And we're going to call it game runner. Let's make that TicTactToe game runner. So TTTGame runner. Okay, hit finish. And you can see there's our main. And so we might need to check and see if we need a constructor or not in the game class. But I might get away without that. Okay, so TTTGame, we'll call it game, equals new TTTGame. Game dot play. Oh, let's get rid of that comment there. Okay, and then I think we can go ahead and do a system dot exit 0 here. Let's see if this works. I'm going to run my file. Looks like we're good. So we have a game. Enter move for X. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Let's see. Let's see, what was I going to do? Well, I don't think I need to play this through to show you how it works. Basically, we've already seen it's going to go through that loop, and at the end, after the game is resolved, it'll ask me if I want to play again. That's because we have that in the game class. Now, we might decide that really we want this here, but I think we're okay. Now, let me show you something. I just created a tic-tac-toe game, and then I said game.play. I can make this more elaborate and have a series of choices with different games. Instead of having all the games in one big file, which would be really hard to code and read, I can use this method to play the individual games. So that's one advantage to further refactor it.